Friends, we're going to feed the kitty, or the bird again, but I thought I'd show you my kitty while we're at it. Here we go. Getting him set up. He's gotten bigger. He's very hungry this morning.
Tail. Tell about his tail.
What am I telling about the tail? That it's growing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Tail is growing.
About an inch and a half long now.
Okay, he didn't
Before,
really...
no tail at all before.
Yeah, no tail before. That's my husband's voice, in case you're wondering who that is.
Just a little China man.
Stop.
That one has mealworms.
Okay.
Full size.
Oh, wow. So we started feeding him mealworms now, full size, just like what you ate for bug eating day. He's eating the same thing.
It just mixed in. Only one just went in. Now it's all crushed up. I wanted too many.
Get a different angle here. And pan back. Kitty is still drinking. There she is. Her name is Mystique. Bye, friends.